I'm gonna show you how to make a buttermilk hot sauce and seasoned brine where you're gonna leave in your fridge for 24 hours. You're talking about infusing flavor, making it super juicy and tender, and however method you cook it is gonna be unbelievably delicious. So let's get right into it. The first thing you wanna do is get you about 2 cups of cold water. Place that in a nice container. I'm also gonna add in about 2 cups of buttermilk. Depending on how much chicken that you actually have left, or have period, is how much you're gonna use. And I'm using a little over half a cup of hot sauce. Put that all in there like that. You wanna whisk all of that together and let that mix well before you submerge that chicken, of course. It has a beautiful color. Now the next thing you wanna add, you can add salt and pepper. I'm actually not gonna do that because I prefer the House of Flavor all-purpose seasoning. It has all the flavors I ever want for chicken, minus one thing. Now you may hear of others, or if you Google, they use a little brown sugar and the sweetness in the brine. I love that, but the House of Flavor smokehouse seasoning does everything I want. So I'm actually gonna take a little bit of that right there, and I'm gonna put a little bit of that in there because that has the perfect sweetness that I like. It has brown sugar, but it also has other flavors in there that just take this chicken, oh man, to a whole nother level. And if you was here, you could smell what I smell. Okay. Now I was mentioning about salt and pepper. If you don't have this, just go ahead and add salt and pepper. You could add it to the brine, but I like to add it to the chicken. So I'm gonna go ahead and season this down here. I'll move this over to the side, and I'm gonna season and get this this chicken nice and coated on both sides. Now, some of it will come off, but I just like to put it straight on the chicken. You do what you feel. If you want to just put it straight in the brine, go for it. But I'll do a little bit of both. Just rub that in there a little bit. It's very simple. Just take those chicken pieces, drop them right inside your brine. Look at that. You want these to sit in, like I said, for about 24 hours. That's the magic number. If you're in a rush, at least do it 2 hours. And I'm telling you, you will have never tasted a better tasting chicken, no matter how you prepare it. This is great for fried chicken. This is great if you're doing chicken and waffles. Not only that, if you're gonna roast, if you're gonna smoke the chicken, whatever you choose, you could do this to not only wings, you can also add this to, let's say, chicken thighs, or if you wanna do breasts. Breasts tend to be a much more lean and they can be a little tough, but brining them is gonna loosen up those proteins and allow it to be very tender. I'll add a little more seasoning to the top just so it infuses very well. And believe it or not, that's it. And there you have it. We're all ready to go. You leave this in the refrigerator for 24 hours. And once this is done, maybe I'll come back and show you my fried chicken. But whatever you choose to do with it afterwards, leave a comment and let me know how you like it, because I guarantee this is gonna take your chicken game to a whole nother level, and it's super easy and effective to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that bell and subscribe, and come back for more flavor.